Vybz Kartel is leaving Jamaica, people. Vybz Kartel is taking his fiancée Sedan on a vacation. No, people. I hope this inspires some of the bad man them, the shatters them, the 87s them, to start treat the catty them right. Take out your girlfriend. Not just take her in the room for your quick backers, but also make you feel right and appreciated. Big up the royal boss. Teach them and school them how to treat the catty them. Yes, people big up on yourself. We don't know the things set. And if you don't know, you don't know what to do. And regular listeners, no, drop on a comment and smash the like something there. So now we switch part cartel. I go viral again and again and again and again. So right now people, that one are interested. See, I know say Royal Boss is no stranger to social media and being the most viral person we forward off of the island called Jamaica. Now let's be honest right now. We are have a debate, right? And we are getting right into it. See, before we start about the airplane. So, and I'm bridging have a debate and we forward with this thing here what we are saying, right? And listeners, bear with me. This is just our opinion. Now try to crash YouTube or make nobody want after crazy thoughts. Anyway, here we going to know. This is what we forward with. We say cartel popularity worldwide, right? If not as big as Bob Marley, are the closest thing we have to Bob Marley. Then we even go as further as say him probably actually even bigger than Bob Marley. Make that so key. Yes, that's what we said. Vibes Cartel at this point is probably bigger than Bob Marley, right? For various reasons. Cartel, I mean, you will hear people say, well, Baba Legend. Of course, Baba Legend. We never say that. We just talk about being known worldwide. Not that way there. Like, I only two artists. Not, bro, you have artists yourself, Diamond, all of these things. I'm gonna say people are going like that for them. You understand? So, brother, right now the things set our way and everybody have links to social media and like before. That's why I tell you, say, impossible. It's very, 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 very likely to cartel more popular than Bob Marley, right? And me not wrong. You understand? Especially in this era. Especially in this era. Vibes Cartel is that man. Now, people, pick up on yourself. You see me? Here what we're there for right now. We see which part from vibes forward home and thing like that, and we all happy. See? But for some reason, it's just some people always just go out of bounds with certain things. You understand? Like it's like they not have nothing to do. They not have nothing to worry them. Hey, even vibes say, yo, vibes are business, man. And vibes I make them know, say, yo, stop the bullshit, and make sure so nothing straight, before no out there go and like some waste people, make sure you get money right. Because I went cartel, I say, some old boy and some old girl. The man I try to show and say, yo, all them get out of that, was when the man said some old boy and some old girl. That's all them get out of it, Them not realize that the man I show and say, yo, level up. Level up, the man I show and son of level up. You understand? But them so dramatic. And if them not think negative and them not have something for bash and run with and say, look there, the man at this and way. Brother, sift through the sun and grab on for the positive things. Too much negative. See, now, switch part, the DJ, a big up Guyana, big up to Guyana, you know, and show him respect when him have for Guyana and the love him have for Guyana and Guyanese people and our world. And we love that cause I love where I preach. You know what I mean? Yeah, stand together, stronger. That's where our mind frame should be forwarding towards. Standing together and unite and strong. Separate and crumble. Simple. Now, Vybz Kartel, the most famous person from Jamaica, right? Just put it this. Because enough people are going to disagree and you have some people who just know say, I just that the war go on right now. You understand? Everybody have them own rights to them own opinion, them own thoughts, them own belief. But for what? Me see it fall out in front of us. Cartel is the most famous person from Jamaica. Who you know of more famous than Vybz Kartel? Right? Because if you got to talk about a person where they just famous in a one era and then them fame just kinda them just have to just go in a legendary bracket where you can say alright, them they do something legendary, but them not have the flame they will travel with them. You understand? Vybz Kartel been in a dancer like a volcano right through. I burn the fire right through. You understand? So when I hear the DJ explain to you say the conditions are where him did have to live in a prison and him still get the job done. Me no want hear no excuse from nobody. That for motivate you for telling us if you know that road in an AC studio about big space and you see this is what mess up so much. When you go to studio for make music or go there for go smoke weed and drink liquor. I come like the man them mind more they on the back of them with them a boss than if you try to get bossing at the music industry business as an artist and still claim him certified at the music business. You know see Cartel can tell you how much different way him lock dancehall and how much different type of era when him control like him a tell you break it down era by era, brick by brick, the man a show you how him doing things. Him always in the social media. Whether you like it or not, whether something positive you say or something negative. Vybz Kartel name always a call. Yeah. Vybz Kartel. Brother, I don't know which part you can go in the world. And you know hear either a cartel song a play or somebody a speak about Vybz Kartel. You understand? And that is the reason why we come to the conclusion of Vybz Kartel, more like, especially these days, it's not surprising if he's more famous than Bob Marley. I will not say this in no disrespectful ways of people here with me because I have a reason. So I just that me add forward to me. I say, yo, this virgin are real famous in the people them connect to Vybz Kartel, you know, like a light socket, you know, brother. You understand? Yeah. The man a show you say alien settings. The regular man can't do that. So Jamaica, Shotty,